Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply for a child passport in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant, nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply for a child passport, of course, only authorized parents can do it, or you can say legal guardian, those who have the real custody. So in front of you, I've opened this official Canada government website about how to apply for child passport in Canada. There are steps in US and outside Canada and US also. US are like very friendly nation for us. So they have informed who can actually apply. One of child's parent, if you're not separated or divorced, the parent who has custody of the child, or legal guardian, as I was explaining it to you. Now, when it comes to the process, forms and all, and where to apply, it depends how quickly you need it. Is it urgent? Then you need to go here. If it is express like 2 to 9 business days, and they for urgent one you must have the proof that you are traveling, so that you need it. For express, you need like 2 to 9 business days, and for standard, you need like a standard. It takes 10 to 20 business days, so like 4 weeks around. Okay, plus mailing time if you mail it, and this can be done by appointment walk-in. How to book an appointment, I have shown it in a different video, so I'm not going to go through that. Now here, like if you do not have an urgent case, you will gonna click here. Of course you're gonna click. Now you go through this wizard, then it will populate the forms and checklist for you. What are you applying for? Child. How do you want to apply? In person, by mail. I select in person, but you can select by mail also based on your circumstances. I would prefer in person. Most recent passport, lost, stolen, or damaged. None of these if you're applying for the first time. So how they have given, complete the application form, requirement document and child's photo, find a guarantor, submit document, pay your fee. Now this document will go through. Okay. Now don't do mistake. Indicate the relation between you, the applicant, and the other parent in section 2. Add your signature in section 2 and 5. All the child parent and guardian must sign the form. If you don't know where the other parent guardian is, contact us. Okay. Include the date the guarantor signed the application in section C. You need a guarantor also. Okay. You need to get all the required document. Child's Canadian citizenship. This can be a long form, birth certificate or citizenship certificate. Okay. It must be an original document, not a photocopy. The name of, okay, proof of parentage or legal guardianship. All documents that refer only valid Canadian passport. Traveler. Okay, fine. Two identical passport photo. Your guarantor. Your guarantor must also sign back of the photo. Read. Okay, fine. Guarantor needs to sign the application. We'll go through the application. One of two passport photos. Must know you personally for 2 years and knows the child. And it cannot be child's parent. Okay. All right. Now, fees and method of payment. We will go through it. Get your passport. Okay. If you applied while you're waiting, you can, okay, yeah, fine. All right, so we'll go for fee section first. By child passport, it's less. Okay, additional fee may apply. Standard. Okay. All right. All right, fees and method. So we have gone through the fee, passport. It for the pickup service, mail time is usually this, but it can vary across the country. Okay, if you paid for pickup service, pickup date will include a receipt. You can send someone else to pick up passport if they have. If you paid for a pickup service, same, right? And something in writing from you saying they are allowed to. Okay, fine. If you applied by mail, it will be mailed. Okay, fine. Now, okay. Oh, it's downloading. All right. So I'm gonna open it and show you. So this is a child general passport application. Surname, given name, place of birth, country, anticipated date of travel. If you don't have any, like it's not urgent case, something, put unknown. Of course. Height, natural eye color, gender, date of birth, home address, signature for child. Now this is very important. You are not good as a parent, you don't sign here. Children 16 are not required to sign the application form. Between 11 to are encouraged to sign. Okay. All right. Even parent and other parent. Now you need to provide information. Other parent. Okay. Which were currently travel document if they had a passport before first time not required. Proof of Canadian citizenship. Etc. A detailed birth showing names of both parent, proof of parentage. Okay. Guardian citizenship. Declaration of applicant. So this is you are the applicant as the parent. Guarantor. Okay. Somebody who knows you for 2 years at least, Canadian citizen, and knows your child too. Okay. And a guarantor cannot be the other parent. Okay. If you go through this, they will tell you guarantor. ये Canadian citizen 18 years of age or over. Or okay. And guarantor passport information will also be there. Okay. Free of charge they should do. All right. Photographs, like you can go to any professional photograph, they know. Okay. How to do this, but you can print the specification too if you wanna go through that. So it's very simple. And then if you're applying in person, you do not need to put your credit card information because you'll be paying right over there. Now checklist. Both pages, application form printed within the last 12 months. 2 pages signed, okay. 2 identical unaltered passport photograph taken last month. And on photograph, if you read, the even photographer needs to provide the information about his details when it was taken and also the date and other information. So that is also important. Acceptable proof of parentage, okay. The fee we have already gone through, so it's very simple. If you go through the photo specification, they are gonna tell you commercial photographer, photographic paper, okay. Be clear, sharp, show network, have uniformness, show full. Now on the back of one photo, name and complete address of the photo studio where it was taken. So photographers have it, the guarantor signature, the statement I certified to be true likeness of name of child written by guarantor. This also needs to be, they have given a sample also that can be used. So that's how it works, guys. And then you can go through it. I'll not walk you through the appointment booking because that I have done through a different video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.